Mami, no te necesito, no, 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 no.
Este es el top 5 de Envy Channel para CNC Noticias. A Chad en el número 5 con 6 Heroes.
Now I see a different side of you. Always got problems all around you. Even when the problem ain't about you. What's to say about you? Hablando pura mierda when you waste it. You can't even hold the conversation.
Número 4, Benny Blanco junto a Calvin Harris, I Find You.
I found you. How can I say what I'm feeling if I don't know how to move? How can I say what I believe in?
Este man en el número 3 con 7 días.
Que lo que tienes que me duele y esa promesa que me hiciste ya ha quedado atrás. Tú la borraste en 7 días que no volverás. Si no te importo más, porque en mi mente estás. Me dices que te vas y no te vas y no te vas. Pasan los días sin ti, quedan las noches.
Sunfeld en el número 2 junto a Alex Schultz, la canción Be My Lover.
If you wanna be my lover, wanna be my lover. Be my lover, wanna be my lover. Be my lover, be my lover, wanna be my lover. La da da di da da da. Be my lover, wanna be my lover.
El clásico de esta semana es del 2002. Snoop Dogg junto a Pharrell Williams, la canción Beautiful.
Back in the days, you was the girl I went to school with. Had to tell your mom and sister to cool it. The girl wanna do it, I just might do it. Hit her off with some pimp fluid. Mommy, don't worry, I won't abuse it. Hurry up and finish so you can watch Clueless. I laugh at these kids when they ask who do this, but everybody know who girl that you with.
Número 1 esta semana, Jonas Brothers con Soccer.
Sucker for you, yeah. Don't complicate.